Hi guys, it's the Macintosh Guide and I'm back again with a brand new video. Now today we're gonna be looking at unboxing and setting up a new machine in our peril. Now there's a lot of new Apple hardware that's come out, and a lot of the Apple hardware that came out a few years ago has now become quite cheap, and that means people like myself can grab it for a bargain price. So guys, sit back, relax and enjoy this quick video. So as you can see, we've got a massive box right here, and let's just get straight into unboxing it. And now, any guesses what it's going to be? Well, you're going to see it right now. As you can tell, I always buy my stuff from Hoxton Max. This isn't paid promotion or anything. Hoxton Max, they're the ones I always go to buy my stuff. And we've got ourselves, guys, a Mac Mini. Now, specifically, this is an M1 Mac Mini. Now, you must be wondering, hey, you must be out of your damn mind to be buying an M1 Mac Mini. Now, the reason why I got this, it was a cheap price. 600 quid, 16 gigs of RAM, 2 terabytes of storage, and it's meant to be in excellent condition. I mean, the bottom cover is a bit screwed up, but it is what it is. But as you can tell, it is pretty much in very good condition. These Mac Minis are always in good condition. Now, as you can tell, plug outlets right here. You've got your Ethernet, you've got your 2 USB-Cs, you've got your HDMI, you've got 2 USB-As right here, and you've got air intake for the fan. But this is the Mac Mini M1 powerhouse with 2 terabytes of storage. I'm going to use this as one of my servers, so that'd be fantastic. I could have got an M4 Mac Mini, which I do have coming along the way, guys. We are having an M4 Mac Mini coming along the way with a custom spec, but you're just going to have to wait for that one. And then we also see that there is the power plug right in here. I won't need to use this. I've got my own one, so I'm not going to have to unbox this one. But guys, that's all the content in the box. Let's get plugging our Mac Mini and set it up. Okay, so we've got everything plugged in to the Mac Mini, and now we're on my test bench. As you can tell, it's on the floor, it's fine. And let's power on the Mac Mini and see if it turns on. So we've got a light, we've heard the noise. I've got my keyboard right here. It should hopefully start gelling like that. Brilliant. And then my mouse is also working, and it's taken us straight to Sierra's page. So let's set it up to UK, and let me just zoom in a little bit for you guys. And then United Kingdom, continue. We're not now, not now, not now. Set up later, skip, agree, agree, TMG, and then we keep this. And it's slowly just creating the account. I mean, bear in mind, this is a Mac Mini from 2020, right? It's going to come on, it's been 4 years since it's actually been out, but 16 gigs of RAM and 2 terabytes of storage, guys, I'm not going to say no to. But it's still just, it's creating its account. And again, as I said, this is a quick unboxing. Now, I'm going to have some in-depth videos comparing the M1 machine to the M2 Pro machine I have, and also the M4 Pro machine that's also going to be coming in the Mac Mini. So loads of videos coming up pretty soon, guys. Just press continue, change to auto, continue, and we are in, guys. So that's done. Let's have a look at the machine. So it says it right here, 16 gigs of RAM. If I can get it to zoom up, 16 gigs of RAM. If we click on more info, we can see that it's connected to 2 terabytes of storage right there. So plenty for me to screw around with, and you know, this is going to be like a hub for me to be able to do a lot of my stuff. So yeah guys, quite excited about this M1 Mac Mini. You know, quite nicely spec'd out. This will be a great machine to be using on a daily basis and also running as a server. My M2 Pro does a lot of the heavy lifting, and obviously, as you guys know, I've got a lot of Macs. Let's just quickly do a speed test just to see how quick it can open up all the applications on Sequoia. This is running 15, just Sequoia 15.0. We haven't updated this. Let's go straight at it. So 44 items have been selected. Let's press open and open. So let's see how quick it opens. Guys, it's speedy. Speedy demon, guys. As you can tell, look at that. Everything's just opening up really quickly. Now you can grab this, guys. I got this for a bargain of 600 quid from Hoxton Max for 16 gigs of RAM and 2 terabytes of storage. Guys, this is a steal of a machine to have in the current day market. So would I suggest buying a Mac Mini right now, M1? Absolutely. You can get a really nice spec one. Check out Hoxton Max. Again, shout out to them. I'm not sponsored by them, as I said, but they really do great prices for their machines, especially if you're buying it for business as well. So guys, make sure you check them out too. But I'll catch you in the next one.